What are the top reasons for spouse and fiance visa denials at the consular interview? Hi, I'm Attorney Megan Pastrana of Immigration for Couples, and my firm is dedicated exclusively to helping couples across the nation and across the world and navigating the U.S. immigration process. So, a large percentage rather, of fiance and marriage based cases are approved, but there is a percentage of cases that are not. In fiscal year 2022, immigration posted those stats, and about 15% of cases aren't approved. And it's really important for couples to understand it's your burden to prove your relationship. It's your burden to prove you're eligible for this benefit. And so I've had a lot of couples asking, why are fiance and spouse visas denied at the interview phase? What happens? What should we be aware of? And so that's what I want to discuss with you in this video. And there are three main reasons that I see and here at our firm that we see that a case would be denied at the interview stage. Some of the reasons for the denial have a solution and others don't. And so I'll be clear on which of those three have options and don't. So the first one, the very first reason that a case would be denied, a fiance or spouse visa case would be denied at the consular interview, is failure to provide the required documents. In a separate video, I talked about how to be prepared for your interview and how to find what documents you need to take. And I'll post that in the link in the show notes below. But failure to provide documents, there's a long list and it'll depend on your case type and specifics as to what documents you'll have to take. But if you fail to bring the right documents, your case can be denied. Now, the good news is that you can overcome that by later submitting the documents, and it will cause a delay. But that is the number one or the first reason that a case would be denied at that interview phase. The second reason that a denial might occur is whether or not you have actually proved your relationship to immigration. So part of the process, whether it's a fiance or spouse visa, the very first step is proving your relationship. But you're not done. You have to continue proving your relationship at each future step. And actually, the consular officer has more discretion to be able to deny a case because there's not enough relationship evidence. So that's the second reason. Not enough relationship evidence or contradictory information in the record at your interview that would lead to a denial. And then the third reason that a visa would be denied at that interview phase is that you're not eligible. So some of the eligibility issues could be something that happened unwittingly. Something that happens is where a couple will get married not realizing that the divorce from a prior marriage wasn't finalized. So you're not eligible. So in that instance, there wouldn't be a remedy to fix that case. You'd have to go back. There's a whole long list in the laws of immigration of problems that a person can have in their immigration history. And if you have one of those problems and immigration finds you ineligible, then the next step would be you could either overcome it by a waiver, or some problems in immigration law, some grounds of inadmissibility have no waiver. So those are the top three reasons that a denial would occur at the consular embassy interview. I invite you to check out our free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com to learn more about the immigration process. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe so that you never miss an upload. And if you'd like more resources to help you on your immigration journey, please visit our website at immigrationforcouples.com, where you can access our free resource center. Links are in the description below.